wonderful people. Glad you could stop by. Today's video is going to be all about the Kylie Cosmetics Mini Matte Liquid Lipstick and Liner Set. And this is a mini. This is the holiday set. There it is. And this is called the Sweater Weather Set. And this is cute as a bug. And as you notice, I don't have any lipstick on. So guess what? This is going to be a try-on. So just want to remind you, this is a mini lipstick kit, and it's for the holidays, for just, for 2020, and here they are. And believe it or not, this is $12. Look at this packaging right here. Let's see if you can get that in there. Look at that. And then look on the back, it has a little to and from. This would be a great, stocking stuffer. Thank you so much, just because I think you're going to love this. And you know what? Kylie Cosmetics is really stepping up. And don't be afraid of it. It took me a long time before I stepped into the pond of Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm really glad I did. I have done the liquid lipsticks, I have done, some of the creams, and you know what? I enjoy them. And they've been really popular on my channel, so I decided to do this one. So we have two colors right here, and there we are. And as I said, this is called Sweater Weather, and it has the lip liner and the mini matte liquid lipstick. So let's put this on, and first off, I recommend putting on the lip liner first so that it gets a nice good coating on your lips so you can guide it, and it just really does make your lips pop like you would not believe. So let's put this sucker on. Wow. And if you want, you can just kind of highlight a little bit on the middle of your lip, or right here your Cupid's bow, just right underneath it. Just whatever you want, but it just makes that finishing look. So here's what it looks like. And it's not a roll up, it is a pencil. So you got to make sure you use a, a sharpener. So here's what the actual mini matte lip gloss looks like. Not bad. Let me show you, see what we've got here. Let me show you the doe foot. So let's put some on. I'm sorry, I'm having like a little coughing thing. So anyways, here's what the doe foot looks like right there. And let's put some on. Wow, this is supposed to be, like a kind of like a, orangey pinky kind of color, but it turns out to be a little bit of more of a terracotta, but you know what? I like it. Look how it goes on. Nice coverage, look at that. Doesn't have an odor to it, which I really like, because sometimes, you know what? They do have some smell-orama, and sometimes just having that really close up to you just doesn't do it for you. Kind of turns you off to the, the experience. And you know what? This is perfect for a small evening bag just to freshen up, and you can get a lot more things in your little bag. And I think this is really good. And this is the Mini Matte Liquid Lip and Liner. This is called Sweater Weather. I think this is really adorable, and for $12, I don't think you can go wrong. And you know what? The packaging is phenomenal. So anyways, I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to do a like, subscribe, and hit the little bell below so you'll be notified of future videos. And I'll leave a link below for this product. You have a fabulous one, and take care, and see you later.